Today at the Horsepower Factory, we're not talking about V8s, Turbo 6s, or even Turbo 4 cylinders. We're talking about this, the new Toyota Yaris GR. It's a 1.6 litre turbo 3-cylinder, produces about 200 kilowatts at the flywheel and about 320 Newton meters of torque. Now this is the first GR Yaris that we've had through the workshop, and it's already had some stuff fitted to it, which is pretty much equivalent to our Stage 2 package, which comes with an intercooler, a air intake and a catback exhaust. So let's get it onto the dyno, see how much power it's making with these additions, and then see how much it can benefit from a custom dyno tune.
The HPF Stage 2 upgrade includes an MST Cold Air Intake that is quoted to add an extra 14 horsepower just on its own. It comes in an open air box designed with a high flow air filter that produces a sporty induction noise. The owner of this vehicle has fit a stunning carbon fibre Group M intake which produces around the same results as the MST version. We also fit a Process West intercooler. With dimensions of 500 by 390 by 65mm, it is the largest intercooler on the market for the Yaris, and its high flow cast intercooler end tanks provide maximum flow distribution across the intercooler. We finish off the upgrades with a sporty GRP stainless steel catback exhaust. Once all the upgrades are finished, it's onto our dyno where our expert technicians custom tune each car to suit.
Okay, so some really impressive results there on the dyno. We've picked up around about 20 kilowatts at the top end, but if you have a look at the other end of the graph, you can see where we've picked up around about 35% in torque and around about 25% in power, and that's going to get this little pocket rocket off the line quick smart. All that's left to do now is to put it in the hands of the owner and see what they think.
Feels like it picks up a lot sooner too. There was definitely something as soon as I took off there. It doesn't normally pull that sort of tight straight off the first gear. This thing's awesome.
And there you have it, another happy Horsepower Factory customer. And just like that, our first HPF GR Yaris is out the door. So if you'd like to know more about our GR Yaris packages, or any of our packages for that matter, head on over to our website, hp-f.com.au, or call us on 1-800-GO-FAST.